Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Facebook online status. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account. And then what you need to do is just to tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, you have to navigate to your profile, or you have to navigate to your settings. So you can just head over from this gear icon to your settings, and you can also do it by heading over to the settings and privacy, then heading over to settings. So once it is done, in here, scroll down until you find the option of activity status under audience and visibility. So you'll find it on at the bottom of audience and visibility section, just under the blocking. So head over in active status and it says your friends and connections can see when you are active. Are recently active on this profile. You can see this info about them too. To change these settings, turn it off wherever you're using Messenger or Facebook, and your activity status will no longer be shown. You can still use their services if activity status is off. So now just turn it off, and it says you won't be able to see when your friends and connections are active, have recently been active, or are in a chat with you. So just turn off. And yeah, as you can see, I have turned off my Facebook notifications or Facebook activity status. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. If you face any problem, just make sure to comment down on the comment section below, and we'll help you with that. So we'll see you in the next video.